Good morning, YouTube. We are full in Sturgis mode. Hung out last night with the guys, went eating, all that stuff. We are here at the house. Opening the door to this absolutely gorgeous house was just an experience in its own. You know, and I have to thank Meatball Rebel. Actually found this house, and we had done some hunting. It was J-Fast, Meatball Rebel, and myself, and unfortunately J-Fast didn't get to experience this with us. Brother, we're gonna get another trip, and we're gonna have to figure this out once the government can figure itself out. Well, I don't want to say that because they never will. Now, we went through a few, you know, like there are some random ones, and then we found this one, and this one just had the overall, you know, experience. The dining room, you can see right here, we spent a lot of time around this table right here. Mr. D's brother always bring a smile to everybody's face. Thank you for that. You know, we sat out here on the patio. Like, it's one of those experiences. You didn't have to camp at Sturgis. You had a bunch of friends to get together, and that's how it started. You know, we started with, like, okay, a couple of us finding a place to stay, and then a couple more, and it's like, well, what if we do this? This right here, you could do like 12 people and divvy up the cost, so it doesn't hurt everybody. And at one point, we were up to like 14 people. And unfortunately, with a few people had to drop out even before, you know, things went sideways with the world. And a few people, when we had too many, unfortunately, JT Southern Fried, and you guys didn't get to stay with us, and you still hung out with us, and we had a great time. But that's one of those things, and it's stuff you learn from, and stuff we hope to plan for better next time. But it all ended up working out really well. The house was fantastic. You know, it was a really, really fun experience. And this is what we would have almost gave up if things would have got canceled, was this house. And we were okay with that. If that's what it went, we were still going to plan a trip and still figure things out. But there was a loft upstairs. That's where Meatball Rebel was. If you guys caught the last episode, he was up there at the very end. Going downstairs, there's a more like cozy living room with a bar, multiple TVs, another master bedroom, another garage downstairs, which I don't even think I got video of, but I had poker table, pool table. This place was meant for family gatherings and just fun times. It was absolutely blast. You know, hot tub, had fun with that. But yeah, guys, loved this place. Wish we could have spent more time there. But I'm gonna hand you guys over to Bearded Bobber in the moment, and see you guys in the next episode. You guys can see this house is amazing. It's not the traditional way people look at Sturgis and camping and all that stuff with a bike, but when you got multiple people, big groups, and you can do some hangouts, this is it. You got a lot of people coming around, and you can have great family dinners, and you know, get a big experience that you don't normally get with everybody. So I think this was a fantastic thing for us to do, and you know, one of these years possibly do it with the camping. But right now, super stoked. Couldn't say enough nice things about everybody here in the house with us, and everybody that didn't get to come. I mean, we're gonna keep enjoying Sturgis though. We're only 2 days in. Well, yeah, technically 3 days in if you count the first night here, but it's fun. I was getting B-roll and all that stuff. What?
There's a Roadmaster.